Hi viewers, today is 31st October, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India and Indian Bismarck. On this occasion, we are presenting interesting question and answers on his life. Who was first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When was Vallabhbhai Patel born on? Answer: 31st October 1875. Where was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel born? Answer: Nadiad, Bombay Presidency. Nadiad city is located in which state in India? Answer: Kheda district, Gujarat. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is known as Indian Bismarck? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who played an important role in the integration of princely states? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Before independence, India was divided into how many princely states? Answer: 565 princely states. How many princely states joined in India after independence? Answer: 562 princely states. When is the National Unity Day is celebrated in India? Answer: 31st October. What was the famous slogan given by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Answer: I know only one culture, that is agriculture. Who gave the title Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928? Answer: Patel. Where is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in India? Answer: Ahmedabad. Where is the Statue of Unity situated in India? Answer: Sadhu Bet Island in Gujarat. Which of the following statements is not correct about the Statue of Unity? Answer: its height is 150 meters. When was the honor of Bharat Ratna awarded to Sardar Patel? Answer: 1991. Bharat Vibhajan is a famous book. It was written by Answer: Vallabhbhai Patel. Which operation was carried out by Sardar Patel to make Hyderabad state a part of the Indian Republic? Answer: Operation Polo. What is the height of Statue of Unity? Answer: 182 meters. Birthday of Vallabhbhai Patel is celebrated by the Union Government of India as Answer Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was died on Answer 15th December 1950. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Memorial is located in Answer Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Sardar Patel Zoological Park is also popularly known as Answer Jungle Safari. Who was the architecture of Statue of Unity? Answer Ram Vanji Sutar.